Unfortunately, those videos I had before did not have sound. eBay intake, didn't want to cheap out, so I got a decent one. It's not as nice as in K&N, but it's a pretty tough material. Getting the old intake out was easy. Just pull it out from the bottom with the clips. That thing is huge. It was a unit. It was a massive system. And then you just gotta fiddle with it, and basically there were clamps like kind of like these holding it, and I just had to pull it off, loosen them up, pull them off, and that was it. With this new one, got this plate right here to keep the hot air out as much as possible. It doesn't do an amazing job, but it's all right. I had a couple bolts to basically I first had to self-tap, or I had to make holes, drill them first, and then I had to thread in some bolts over there. And then right here, as you see, to the frame, or not to the frame, to the metal over there, I had to mount that side as well. This is honestly very easy, guys. You'll do this in under an hour if you've worked on cars before. And then I slide all these clamps on the intake first, on the pipe, before I basically fit it. And then once this is fit, I slide them on to the gasket, to the seal, and I just tighten it. Tighten the throttle body side, the intake side, this one right here, tighten this one, and then at the very end I throw the filter on, tighten that guy out. It's super easy. There's one issue, honestly, that is annoying me, and my check engine light is coming on. This is common, everybody talks about it, there isn't really an answer. It's obviously because of this. What I did was I took the connector out, I sprayed it with electrical with the what is it called, this stuff, electronic cleaner. Spray the connections. I feel like I didn't have the connection done well the first time, so I just redid it just to confirm it's well tight and well connected. Yeah, and I connected it back on and everything. Hopefully it'll go away, and if it doesn't, man, I'll need you guys' help to tell me what the heck I need to do, because I don't want to go as far as tuning it, whatever, all that crap. I mean, if I really have to, I will. But if there's anything I can do, guys, let me know. Yeah, this is it. Let's start her up and let it run. Hopefully won't get any warnings. Oh damn, that muffler delete though. You guys want to hear that muffler or see how that was done? I have a video below, or my previous videos I had a muffler delete. Yeah, I wish I had someone to press the throttle for me like that. I had my nephew do it, but my sound wasn't working, so crap, I couldn't hear anything. That doesn't help, but let me just rev it out a little bit. Just can hear the exhaust. Gotta do an oil change soon, as soon as I can. Look how quickly this thing revs with this intake though. Look at that, the top end. That is such a satisfying sound. Oh my gosh, man. That is so cool, man. Especially the low end, man. The low end is what really gives it the burble. Oh. Go, 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 go. Look, just listen to this. Listen to this bad boy. Oh. Hey, there. Yeah, guys. This is a sneak peek. So I was doing spacers, and my other ones didn't fit. So the next video, guys, will be these guys. These spacers.